Box day, and I am out with the girls because it's needs must before the box is opened, and their path is flooded. Did you hear that lovely crunching noise? Are you going to try and go in there? I think you should have more sense. So I thought I'd do a little bit of reality before I go home and open my box. Obviously, yes, I need to walk my girls. The woods are a mixture of ice and a little bit of frozen snow. That noise. It is so cold here at the moment. We're in the middle of quite a frozen spell. So I shall talk to you more when I get home. Right, back from that very cold walk. I have the tea. Oh, I need it. I don't always drink tea on my vlogs, but tonight I really need it. Oh, I came in from work and I had a phone call to make about the car, because that's being picked up on Monday. But, oh yes, I got a notification today. It is that amazing day. So, with no further ado, now then, here we go. So I have to spin it round and sort of manage to undo it. I'm going to go across here. I've learned a few lessons doing these, and the biggest one is be careful where you hold the box, because you do not wish to show everybody your address. And this is a bit shoe box shaped this month, so it makes me wonder, has Andrea got up her sleeve? So here we are. We just have a lovely label on here today that says Think Pink. Think Pink. What magic is going to come out of my box? It's rather a lovely label, isn't it? I'm actually going to break the label. See if I can do the label. So are we ready? Oh, I have my box upside down. There's always one, isn't there? Chapter 1 of a new story. Oh, it's lovely. Look at that. It's got a typewriter picture on it. You feel as if it's going. Can you ever watch that programme, Murder, She Wrote, with Angela Lansbury? We used to have the little. So, scan the code with your iPhone or iPad to access the ebook which accompanies this box. This month's box contains 2.5 metres of fabric in 2 colourways. So, where is my phone? Always the same one. I'm not going to scan and open this until I have seen the box. So here we go. Oh my goodness me! I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. It is just amazing. I'm sorry, that is just a very over the reaction. Can you see it? Can you see what I can see? Oh, how beautiful. How beautiful is this? Oh, I might have known. It's by Fabrics for Your Creativity. And all I can think of is that beautiful Sauvie dress. I'll just put a picture in here that I made with the Fabrics from Your Creativity. I made 2 from them in the last year. I'll put them both up if I can find pictures of them. One of them might have a line on it. I'm so sorry if it does. Oh, I included them in my makes video. This is nothing short of unbelievably stunning. You would not, the feel of it, oh, it's so soft. Now, I am guessing it is a viscose. Is that not just beautiful? Look at that design. Oh, now, I'm thinking blouse, winter shirt dress. Oh, what about a shirt dress with a lovely polo neck underneath it? Hold on 1 second. I will come back to these ideas in 1 minute. Let's just have a little look what's in the bag. It's got a cat on it. And when I see pictures of cats like that, I think, I miss my cats. I miss my Sylvester so much. If I can find a picture of my Sylvester in, I will put one on. Oh, this is interesting. I've got, oh, haha, tea and biscuits. Look at this. Tea, biscuits. These are my favourite, one of my favourites. A cup of PG Tips. Tea and biscuits while I'm sewing, anybody? Quite fancy that. Oh, and look at these. The most divine, lovely pair of stalk scissors. Aren't they stunning? And of course, with all the embroidery that I'm doing at the moment, they'd be absolutely fantastic. I've obviously got a matching thread and I've got some nail decals. So fun. Oh, so if I have my nails done, I can have little transfers put on. So I've got little sewing transfers. Oh, they're pretty. The only thing is I don't tend to have my nails done. And I've got some even smaller ones on that side, look. Aren't they beautiful? If I wanted some sewing nails done. I very rarely have my nails done, but there's something coming up that I'm going to that would be very suitable to have my nails done. So that would be something there. Let's have a look at the... I must tell you what I'm wearing before I do anything else. And I shall come to this in my next vlog later at the weekend. I don't think you can see it, but I am actually wearing... Let me just pull it back out. Nope, wrong way. Let me just push the chair out of the way, see if you can see it. I'm doing a car, I'm jumping back and back and back. But this is my navy blue Ressac sweater. I don't know, I've got light straight in my eyes here, but I've got my two beautiful darts here and I've got my lovely pockets here. And I'm just going to point this out and hope to goodness that you can see it. But I did this stitching here, not with Mariflex thread, not on the sewing machine with an ordinary thread stitch. I did it on my cover stitcher, and it's got a stitch on this side that looks exactly the same, but it's actually a chain stitch. And you can do the cover chain, because on one side of your cover chain, oh my gosh, I kicked the camera then, I'm so sorry. One side of your cover chain, you just get an ordinary sewing stitch. And I use my Baby Lock cover stitcher for that. So I'm really pleased with this make, and I will go into more detail, but this fabric came from Beyond the Pink Door. I bought it with a birthday voucher, so thank you, Andrea. 2 Pink Door makes. So I'm wearing my Ressac, and I'm wearing a lovely scarf that I've had for absolutely years that came from White Stuff, and it's a wool-based scarf, so it's just the thing for today. So here we go, let's have a little look at it. Look at the drape. Shall we have a look at the drape? I'm very impressed with all these fabrics by your creativity. Now, it is sheer. I can see straight through it. I can't see myself, but I can see my light. I can't see the kitchen, but I can just see my light. So it's not as sheer as I first thought when I held it up. I can't see what is on my work surface. I can't see my screen, but if I hold it up to the light, I will see the light shape through it. So I would say is not sheer. I shall retract that comment. Look at that drape. So you could be looking at something with a lovely, lovely little bit of drape. But I would say this is an all year round fabric. And I think it's a fabric of lilies. This is a lily here. Can you see the lily here in the middle? This one here. It's a lily. Absolutely beautiful. I love this classic flower shape. It's absolutely stunning. So I am a person that doesn't buy lots and lots and lots of differently new... I'm not a person that's buying loads of new patterns all the time. I'm trying to sew up what I've got, and if I've got a pattern I like, then I don't believe there's anything wrong with going back and making it again. And I'm thinking Maison Fauve Zenith dress. Let me just get the pattern down. As I've pulled this pattern down off my shelf, I know that the Zenith dress, there is more than enough to make the beautiful Zenith dress. And this is a dress with a lovely feature here. Oh, I've done it again. Sorry, I am kicking. I'm trying a new filming setup and it's working beautifully, except I keep kicking the tripod. Can you see here? It's got a beautiful fan detail there on the front. If you did the blouse version, it's from the neck down. If you do the dress, it's from the waist up. It's a beautiful dress, and there would be enough fabric there to make the dress. And I've still not checked the ebook to double check what base it is, but we'll do that in a minute. Now the other one here is the Faye combination. It's got a very plunging neckline here. Now I have made this, I've made it in a Maison fabric, and I just didn't feel as elegant in it as I'd hoped, but you can do a robe version here. Now, one dress that I really, really want to make, and this could be the fabric for it, is the Davenport dress by the Friday Pattern Company. I'll put a picture here of that. That would make the most beautiful, beautiful dress. And of course, you cannot go wrong making the Alana dress by Atelier Jupe. It is one of my favourite dresses. Also, thinking forward, as I mentioned when I first saw it, the Sauvie Dress by Sew House 7. That has to be one of my favourite dresses of all time. I have now made 3. I could quite easily make a 4th, but make a 4th for the spring, and underneath it I could wear a polo neck jumper. It is a viscose. It's a 100% viscose with a weight of 115 grams and a width of 142 centimetres. There is another colourway. It's very similar to that. I'm not going to tell you what it is, because if you haven't opened your box yet and you've decided to have a sneaky look at my unboxing, I might spoil your surprise, and I don't want to do that. But I'm just going to say I would have been happy with either of the 2 colourways. What am I going to make? At the moment, I'm not quite certain. I do want to investigate the Penny Shirtdress by Sew Over It. Let me just see if I can call it up on my phone. When you think of the patterns now, the patterns that you could make with it, it's very hard to think of them off the top of your head. But I am looking shirt dress, and one I've pulled up here, which I made a long time ago and which is the most stunning dress, and that is the Alder shirt dress by Grainline Studio. I've made this a couple of times and it is a stunning dress. The other one is the Atelier Jupe, I'll pop a picture in here, Tilde shirt dress, which I have made, and also there is the Fringe Dress by Chalk. And so there you go, there's a few dress pattern suggestions. I know what I want to do, and I'm not going to say any more at the moment, other than I will be making it this month. In fact, I shall be starting it this weekend, so I shall be throwing my fabric straight in the washing machine. So for now, I'm going to say, if you've got the box, I do hope you love your fabric as much as me. My reaction was genuine because I left it on and I opened it up, so that was a genuine reaction. I love all my fabrics from Andrea. I don't think I've been disappointed yet at all. So for now, I hope you are all well, keeping warm. If you are in California, in the Los Angeles area, my heart goes out to you, and I hope you are safe. For now, I will say goodbye, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.